Unlock a flood of off-market real estate deals and close them faster than you ever thought possible, all from your phone. Today, we're diving deep into how batch leads and SMS marketing can put you directly in touch with motivated sellers, making wholesale deals more accessible and profitable than ever before. The secret weapon? Direct, personalized text messages. This isn't about mass spamming. It's about pinpointing specific properties and reaching out with a compelling offer. First, let's leverage batch leads to build your perfect lead list. Navigate to the property search and start filtering. Think about the characteristics of properties ripe for wholesaling: absentee owners, properties with high equity, or those that have been on the market for a while. Batch leads makes it incredibly easy to find these diamonds in the rough. Once you've identified your target properties, add them directly to a batch leads campaign. This organizes your outreach efforts and ensures you don't miss a single opportunity. Now, here's where the magic happens: SMS marketing within batch leads. You can craft compelling text messages. Don't just send a generic message. Personalize it, mention the property address, and offer a direct solution, like a quick cash offer. A simple "Hi, first name, I'm looking to buy property at address," and can offer a fast cash closing. Interested in hearing more? Can be incredibly effective. The beauty of SMS marketing with batch leads is its directness and speed. You're cutting out the middlemen and getting straight to the seller. They can review your offer and respond immediately, which dramatically speeds up your acquisition process. This strategy allows you to quickly find distressed properties, connect with sellers who need to sell fast, and then assign those contracts to other investors for a profitable resale. It's a powerful way to build your wholesaling business, one text message at a time. Ready to amplify your deal-finding power? Dive into batch leads and start texting your way to profitable wholesale acquisitions. Today, don't forget to subscribe for more insights on crushing your real estate goals.